Have you ever think that Benguela could be one of the most difficult games capoeira has? I know you could disagree with me. But if you start as a beginner in any capoeira group around the world, you won't be probably able to learn Benguela until you reach the 4th or the 5th level. This video is not aiming any specific level. It's just in a small sequence that you can train a tongue. If you're searching for a video with a small sequence that you can train a tongue, this is the right one. So let's do it! Oh, right. I like it. Let's do it. Let's start with balanço na cadeira. Now we throw a meia lua de frente. Then pay attention because we will try to make the other believe that we wanted to do a meia lua de compasso. But then the transition is gonna lead us to another position with AU trocado. From the AU trocado, it's gonna lead us to an AU pequena going to negativa. Now we turn. But look closely the way we're turning to do another meia lua de compasso that later is gonna change to this transition. From there, we're gonna go to queda de quatro and then relay. We're gonna stay in this position. That is gonna be a transition to do a gancho. Please look closely the entry from the move. We're gonna end it with cadeira, and from there we're gonna throw a meia lua de compasso, but this time you're gonna transform it directly into a negativa. You're gonna change with a troca negativa, but this time you're gonna end lateral. Once you have your protection, the next move will be making a small relay, cutting it, and going with cabeçada de chão. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yo, what are you talking about? You don't even have a YouTube channel. Right. Anyways, just keep training, stay at home, and we'll see us in the next QuarenTrain. Ciao, ciao.